So, dito kami guys. Bili kami ng pump para sa aming water fountain. But, wow, gaganda naman. Ganda. So, this was very expensive. 380. Ayan lang siya kalaki. Guys, nakita ko lang. Sobrang ganda niya, oh. Wow. I think I want to get something like this. Yan. Ganda din yung pots. Ang ganda ng pots. So, ayan guys. Nakabili na naman kami ng something new. Like statue. Buddha. Bumili si Asoka ng isang Buddha statue. Sobrang laki. And stand. This one. That. So, yan. Ano namin.
So, you want one high, one low.
We also have one of our gardener na dumating dahil lilinisin niya yung mga damo na tumutubo doon sa likod and also yung mga damo sa pots. So, ito naman ay gusto ko tong gardener na to kasi sobrang bait at saka medyo softy, parang may bagabakla. Yun lang naman yung linisin niya, yung mga damo namin sa likod, then yung sa mga pots. And then I would like to share to all of you guys na tingnan nyo itong ibang special breed ng aking limonsito. Sobrang daming bunga. Okay guys, very special. Cute. Ang daming bunga. Grabe ang bunga. Oh, nanghulog na nga. Oh. Lagi akong nag-harvest dito. Ayan. Dami yung bunga. So, yan lang. So, yung Buddha na binili namin kanina, dito namin ilalagay sa ito pinakagitna ng swimming pool. And then, bumili si Asoka ng yung din, pot na lalagyan ng water lily pala. And then, lalagyan din ng isda. So, sabi niya, alisin niya daw at saka ipapatransfer sa ibang lugar. Let's see. Ayan ang ating gardener. So now he's already start cleaning our place. Okay. Okay.
This one almost stick out. The banana tree is chop until bottom.
Okay. Titan. Merry Christmas to you, Titan. Oh, wow. So big. Oh. Smile. So, gardener is there. He's sweating already. Titan, smile. Titan. Come here.
But I'll be
Say happy December again. Happy December, everyone.
Happy December.
Ay, say properly. Come.
Happy December. I will go out. I will go out.
Now you find daddy. Faster. Where's daddy? Where's daddy? Tyrese? How you go find daddy? Because you are the police.
Who is that?
I don't know. Where's daddy? Where's daddy?
Did you look? He might come. He might come.
Okay, go again, I'm pretend.
He might come. A hide and seek. A hide and seek.
But you have to find daddy first. You already found me.
Hide and seek. A hide and
Okay,
seek.
okay, okay. No, go find daddy. Go find daddy.
Mommy, hide. I want to. Mommy, hide.
You say close your eyes and then 1, 2, 3, 4 and then ready or not, here I come. Go say now.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Then you set up. But okay. So Soka wants to do a little bit of upgrade
Look, you see the side screen on the thing?
here in our swimming pool side. Yes. See if it's straight. Okay. We start our day with very nice breakfast. My lovely husband is here. Good morning, love.
Morning.
Good morning, Tyrese.
Good morning.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Daddy.
Wait. Good morning, Day. Lami ra, Day? Wow, look at this. Chicken karage. Wow.
Why you want sausage again? Okay,
Very nice place. Hi everyone! Welcome to Vlogmas Day 5. So today pupunta tayo ng mall dahil maghahanap ako ng gifts para sa aming upcoming Christmas party / exchanging gifts, and then maghahanap na din ako ng gift for baby Tyrese. So punta ako ng Mid Valley, which is about 8 minutes away from sa bahay. And then kasi yung Christmas party namin is on December 25. Magsa-start ng lunchtime hanggang midnight, hanggang kaya. So meron kami exchanging gifts na 50 ringgit. So maghanap tayo, siguro mga body wash na lang yung ano natin, no? Kasi kailangan unisex yung bilhin natin. And then after that, ibigay ko ang bonus ni Cathy. Meron siyang bonus na napakaaga. Sabi ko kay Aso, sobrang aga naman. Pero sabi niya, okay lang yan. Baka gusto niya gamitin dahil nga magpapasko, diba? So alam niyo naman tayo mga Pilipino, laging handa kapag especially sa mga workers, OFW, laging handa, laging magpapadala earlier than, of course, the Christmas day, you know. Yun, so ibigay ko itong kay Cathy, but natutulog pa sila ni baby Tyrese. So mamaya na lang pabalik na ako gikan sa mall. So ayun guys, see you later everyone. At maghanap din tayo ng pagkain na makakain for lunch kasi hindi pa ako nag-lunch at medyo nagutom na ako guys. So anyway, thank you so much. Malapit ng Pasko. Guys, ito yung bilhin natin, Peppa. Itong building blocks, and then ito yung Spider-Man. So, tatlo. 1, 2, and also let's get this building blocks. Let's go. Natin guys, so lovely is ayan. Ito, pamimigay natin for the Christmas. Ayan, medyo bigat-bigat. ating mga nabili at tayo ay bibili na ng shampoo ni Cathy at conditioner. Tapos uwi na tayo, guys.
Do you remember that?
Okay, natin, guys. Guys, finally, dito tayo sa car park. Napakabigat, grabe. Alayo ng nilakad ko. Oh, finally. Isa. Baba natin. Then, ayan. Finally, let's go. Grabe. Nagikot talaga ako, guys, kasi iniisip ko kung ano talaga yung bibilin para sa aming exchanging gifts at saka ano mga regalo din sa mga bibigyan namin. So finally meron na, and then bibili na lang ako ng yung box para diretso na lang ipapasok ko na lang to sa loob ng box kasi may nakita ako mura lang, siguro mga 230 ringgit, nasa mga 230 ringgit, about 30 pesos na ganun, isang box for like gift box na siya. So lagyan natin yung mga pa-exchanging gifts natin doon. But bukas na lang siguro kasi ngayon ang hapon na and kailangan ko nang umuwi dahil excited ako ibigay yung laruan na nabili ko kay Baby Tyrese. See you guys later. Bye! Dito na yung lahat na hindi natin. I-wrap na lang natin. Laruan ni Tyrese, ibigay natin dito sa taas. At ito naman ay i-wrap ko at lagyan natin under the Christmas tree para pag Pasko meron siyang buksan. Tapos, akyat muna tayo at isa-surprise natin si Cathy. Bigyan natin ang kanyang bonus! Wow! I'm so happy for her. Thanks to Asoka. Akyat muna tayo, guys. Nagpabili din siya ng kanyang Colgate at conditioner. Tapos sa akin, namili na ako ng mga gamit-gamit. Here's now. Go. Natin kita. Muna tayo. Ginagawa nila. Hi.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi. And I have something more. Oh. Nag-ani siya, ani, Day. Day. Hatay na pa niyo mo, Day. Muna na yung mga kuan. Enjoy your kanang kanang si tawag ani. Bonus. Tyrese, open your toys. Wow. Hey, you like it?
I don't know how.
Tita, okay. Nice. Spider-Man is nice. Wow. Finally, naligo na ang aking kotse. Sobrang tagal na hindi nakapagpa-wash. Dahil lagi naman kasi umuulan, kaya now, mainit. I decided na palinisan na siya.